How to enter tax forms 1098 ET or C in H&R Block Online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser you want, and on the search bar, search for hrblock.com and press enter. Then the first step is to log into your account. Click on the sign in option and then enter all of your credentials in order to sign into your account. Here on this box, enter your username, email ID or mobile number, then click on the continue option. If you are new to this, click on the create account option to create your new account. Once you have logged into your account, you want to click on the search bar. Now here, if your 1098 has a letter after it, such as E or a D or a C, then make sure you include that letter in your search. Otherwise, you'll go to the wrong place in the program. Form 1098E reports the amount of student loan interest you paid during the tax year. For this, you will have to enter the student loan interest information from Form 1098E, including the amount of interest paid and the name of the lender. You may need to provide additional details such as your modified adjusted gross income to determine if you qualify for the deductions. Carefully review the information you enter to ensure the accuracy. Form 1089T is a tuition statement reporting qualified education expenses. Input the information which includes detailed about the qualified education expenses, scholarships, and grants. The form may have information on whether the student is eligible for education-related credits like the American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. And finally, Form 1098C is the charitable donation of a car, boat, or airplane. For this, you will have to enter the information which typically involves charitable contribution of motor vehicles, boats, or airplanes. Include detail about the charity, the vehicle, and the fair market value. Double check the entered information for accuracy and follow any additional prompts related to charitable contributions. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.